Okay, everyone, so I wanted to make sure I could explain what to do to you very well. So each of you are going to make part of the video, just like last time when we did the pass the pen, but we're going to do it with a lollipop. I got this lollipop for 500 shillings from the Total. So I'm sure you can get, and I've got a spare one just in case as well. So I'm sure you can get your parents to help you out with one. Okay, so we're not throwing this time like before, we are passing. So it will come from this side of the screen and we pass it off to that side of the screen. So it's going to look like a continual pass along. Okay, so we're not throwing up, down, side to side like before. We're just keeping it super simple. You shouldn't need someone to assist you because actually you can just start the video by you reaching off, doing whatever you need to do, and then passing it off to the other side. So keep the screen this way, landscape. We had a few people last time who were filming this way, but we want to make sure everybody's is the same way round to make our video look really good. So we will see the upper body like this, and you should be wearing your outfit as well. So all of the girls in green, all of the boys in red. Okay, so for this video I need you in your outfits. What else do I need to tell you? Yeah, so I want you to send this video to me by Monday. And in the video I'm about to show you now, as an example, wherever your name is, that's the part you're acting. And I think a lot of you, from me sending you the script, you already get it, like what you have to say. Okay, so let's go. Finally, after a long day, I can now have my lollipop. But the wrapping is so difficult to open. Would you mind helping me? Really? I'm sure it's not that difficult. I can't do it. Here, you take it. I got you, I got you. Oh, you're right. This is impossible. Here. You guys, what is so hard about opening a lollipop? Okay, perhaps you're right. Now that you've loosened it for me, I should be able to get it. Oh, nope. My favorite flavor. Let's hope I can get into it. Oh, does this have a child lock on it or something? Here, you try. Guys, you just need a little rip to the right, left, pull, and voila! Yay! Yum. Try this. Tasty.